So what I want to do today is take another look at this Scissor Lift from Harbor Freight, 6,000 pound capacity. Mine arrived a couple of days ago. This is all about the unboxing and looking at some of the aspects of the lift that I haven't seen covered in other videos on YouTube. This is the crate that contains the main lift. Arrived a few days ago. You see the box on the right there, that's the hydraulic unit, which I covered in another video. And this is a shot of me trying to get this 1,000 pound piece of equipment down my driveway. It's 300 foot long. And then I start to unbox it, and I use this this Hoyer lift to help. If you have an engine hoist, that would also work. And using the axle stands at the other end, so I can extricate the box from beneath the lift itself. I also made comment that the handle for the hydraulic unit was missing. It wasn't. It was in the box with this lift, unusually. I don't know why it wasn't in the box with the unit itself. And this is the unit once I got it in and got it stood up and checked everything out. And sure enough, it lifted to height. One of the things I did find is, you see the bolt on the end of here? It stops the slider coming off. It was missing on one of them, so it won't prevent that sliding off. And through these slides, I just wanted to show the quality or not of the various welds around the lift itself. I'm not a great welder. I can't pass comment on this, but I know some of you guys out there are very interested on just how safe this thing is and how well made it is. And there's quite a big variance in the quality of these welds. I think some of the major ones are probably done by a more experienced welder, and some of the less important welds, if there is such a thing, are done by someone less experienced. And what you see here is the ratcheting mechanism that helps support the lift when it's in a raised position, so you don't put all the weight on the hydraulic rams and rely on those for safety. This was not well adjusted when it arrived, but a quick adjustment, just like a bicycle brake cable, got it back into a good position so it would could do its job. So what we have here is the hydraulic pipes and fittings on the ramp unit itself. There was a lot of PTFE on these fittings, way too much. It was wrapped the wrong way. I could take them off and redo them, but they didn't leak, so let's just leave them as they are for now. But again, not the best quality. Here are some of the problems I found with the hydraulic unit, and if you want to see more of this, it's in my other video. It took a good bang on the side of the motor unit there, and I opened it up to have a look inside, and you can see the damage on this here, this component. Here's the switch, which also took some damage, as you can see. I took the plate off and I straightened it out, and as some others have done in other videos, I put a different switch in. This is a Telemechanique electrical switch. And finally, what I wanted to do is show you guys how much clearance there is on the car under there. Mine's a 2006 Audi A4, not particularly low car or a high car, plenty of room. The highest point was that locking mechanism, as you could see there, and there was still a good inch clearance. So, well, hope you enjoyed watching. See you next time.